Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making banana milk. In Korea, fruit milks are a thing now, and banana milk is definitely one of the few more popular ones that people love and can't go without. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 150 grams of bananas, 20 grams of brown sugar, and 250 grams of milk. Here we've already divided the bananas into two portions. One weighing 100 grams and another smaller portion weighing 50 grams. We usually start off by cutting the bananas. Just place the 50 grams of bananas onto a chopping board and simply cut them into cubes. Then, set them aside. Next, place the other 100 grams of bananas into a bowl and mash the bananas with a fork or a potato masher. Add in the brown sugar and gently stir till they are evenly mixed. For this case, you may also substitute the brown sugar with white sugar in 1:1 ratio if you want a nicer bright yellow color. Once we are done, we'll need to pour the banana mixture into a serving glass and add in the banana cubes. Do note, I'm using a 450 ml glass jar here and this recipe is only for the serving of one. If you want to have a bigger serving, feel free to scale up the portion accordingly. Now, we got all of it in a jar. It's time to pour in the cold milk. Just stir the milk with a straw until it's blended in nicely with the banana mixture and there you go. You have yourself a jar of tasty and nutritious banana milk. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.